Welcome back to the India Big 7 Lives 15 Minutes with Expert series. Today we have with us Mr. T.S. Satyaraj, who is one of the founder director of Careerly. This company has been instrumental in introducing an innovative gift product in the market, which is a tech wallet, which you can track from your smartphone in case of theft. I would say we have never heard about such product, so it is definitely an innovative one. And now let us hear more about this from Mr. Satyaraj. So welcome, sir, for at this India Big 7 Live 15-minute series.
Yeah, thank you, and good afternoon, everyone.
So, Mr. Satyaraj, tell us about your company and the products. How are you coping up in this current scenario?
Yeah, actually, we are basically a different product, smart product manufacturing company based in Chennai. We started in 2016, and it's almost 4 years now, 3.5 years now. And this COVID was a real disaster. It was a very difficult period, like everyone had, but we managed to come out of this with our different process and thinking. We actually spent the lockdown period optimizing our business process and designing new products to be launched after the lockdown. It was very tough initially as everyone was stuck at their home, and the concept of work from home was very new to us. But soon we learned to work with these constraints. We launched some products during this period, particularly a clean tool product during this particularly lockdown 1 period, to prevent users from touching the contaminated surfaces like door handles, lift buttons, etc. And it has been a big hit and several orders flowing in. It's our own design, and we made it ourselves in India and not relied on any imports. We will be launching several other home office products during this new normal also.
Okay, I guess that's a wonderful thing because most of them were worried with this kind of situation, which no one must have thought of. And coming up with such a innovative products and utilizing the time of the lockdown is really a good initiative. And it's good to know that you did get the orders and you are looking for some more new products. So what is your overall assessment on this situation? How do you think the government initiatives such as this Atmanirbhar Bharat will put the growth back on the track?
Yes, we see a clear change in the customers' buying pattern after government's initiative. Clients now ask us for made in India products since we are manufacturers of leathers, papers, and metal goods. And being an Atmanirbhar Bharat company right from the start in 2016 December, we found this initiative of the government now, which is very helpful, and it aligns with our company's plan also. We are eagerly looking for more follow-up announcements from the government, particularly reduced GST for Atmanirbhar companies. We are happy with this initiative as this gives manufacturing companies in India a level playing field, and particularly us.
Okay, so that's really good. I think after this initiative, it has really been a good, I would say, response for the Made in India products. And definitely,
Yes.
I think that will lead more now.
Yes.
So, how do you see these trade shows are helping in enabling the industry growth?
Yes, definitely. We have earlier also participated in some of these trade shows, and it is definitely helping us in promoting our products to different group of companies like the corporates and different areas also. It's a really helpful thing for us.
So, for you, it is like majorly, I guess, for all the gifting industry, I would say that the face-to-face meetings are more important unless they see the product, touch and feel kind of a thing. Because
Yes,
online.
definitely.
Yeah. So, and how do you plan going forward in this post-corona era, I would say. So, now as we saw this any kind of this unlocking is in the process and markets are opening up slowly. So
Yes.
what are your plans and and the priorities post this COVID thing situation?
Yes, actually, there's a very particular, peculiar situation. We found it really very difficult to come out of it initially. We used this lockdown period to revisit our product range and marketing strategies and plan for the new normal, which has helped us to overcome the crisis to a certain extent. Development of new products for the new normal are our priorities now. We have also doubled focus on e-commerce, and we have clocked the biggest revenue in the month of July, actually.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So
So
this
I
revisiting the yes, revisiting our strategies during this
okay.
lockdown period, we have utilized our time very well, and we are doing actually very well. The results are better now.
Okay, I think this would be a good news for the other gifting companies as well, because I'm sure most of them are affected and must be planning like how to go ahead with the post lockdown era, or how to come back with their products and things like that. So an increase, I would definitely say, with the businesses and other new launches kind of a thing. So, are there any plans for you, like apart from this, what we heard about the wallet thing? So, are there any plans to make changes in your current product line or launch new products?
Yes, definitely. See, as always, right from our beginning, we have been used to launch a new product every quarter. Every 3 months, we have been launching new products. We are planning many new launches now also in our existing product line and new home office segment also. We recently launched eco-friendly T-shirts made from recycled PET bottles and recycled cottons. As I told you earlier, we also launched our clean tool to be used in general public areas to handle the doors, lift keys, etc. So such products are in line, and we'll be bringing in more new home office range products.
Oh, that's actually amazing. With the if I could just ask, what exactly is this eco-friendly T-shirt? I mean,
Yes, the eco-friendly T-shirts are made from the used recycled PET bottles, a combination of recycled cotton and recycled PET bottles. The yarn is made from the recycled PET bottles and
oh,
combined and made into a T-shirt.
that's really an innovative thing, because I don't think so anyone would have heard about such kind of technology wherein you have this kind of eco-friendly T-shirts. Like, so we would definitely wait to see that and how the product comes in. So, with all so many new products and innovative products, I would say, I would not just say new products, because these are really innovative ones. So, what message you would like to give to our industry colleagues and our viewers who are like affected, or who are kind of still into that thing of the COVID situation?
See, the growth will be slow and unpredictable until we tide over this crisis. But we must also use this dull period to pause and reflect, optimize cost, rethink business strategies. It gives us a chance to revamp our online strategies, and we saw immediate results in 2020 July now. It is going to be tough to adjust to the new normal, but it also presents a new product and business opportunity which wasn't available earlier. So it is like we have had this time to think, revamp everything, and we have to do it again if time permits, and that I think should take us to a different level.
I think it's really I mean, I would say it's a good, insightful message, or for all our industry colleagues and as well as the viewers. So we would like to thank you for sparing your time with us and giving your inputs, and we definitely look forward for all your innovative products once they are launched. Like, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you and welcome.
The series with the 15 minutes with our experts, and we would come back again with some more of such series. Thank you so much.